Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your phone and carrier support eSIM. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, leave the physical SIM in the device and note the ICSID or SIM number. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and the battery is over 50%. Next, open the carrier app or settings where eSIM setup is offered, because that's where you'll request the conversion QR or activation code. You're now ready to request the eSIM profile from the carrier. You request the eSIM from your carrier and receive a QR code or activation code. The how varies, but the result is the same. Once you have that, open Settings, choose Add Cellular Plan or Add eSIM, and scan the QR or enter the code manually. Make sure to label the new plan, for example, Primary or Work, because that affects call and data routing. After the profile downloads, tap to activate the plan. Pause and wait for carrier provisioning to complete before removing the physical. You finalize by verifying the eSIM is active. Check signal bars, make a test call, and use mobile data. Once confirmed, remove the physical SIM if you want to free the slot or store it as backup. If activation fails, restart the phone, rescan the QR or re-enter the code. And if problems persist, contact the carrier with the ICSID and error details. Make sure you keep the old SIM until everything is stable, and restore contacts from your backup if anything didn't carry over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.